Do you want to achieve bigger and stronger muscles? Understanding the science behind muscle growth can help you get the results you want. In this video, we will discuss tension, motor units, and how they affect muscle growth. 1. What is tension and how does it stimulate muscle growth? Tension is the force produced within the muscle fibers when they contract. It can be thought of as the resistance created by the muscle fibers against an external force. This resistance or tension is detected by the mechanoreceptors in the muscle fibers. When these receptors detect a force passing through the tissue, it activates downstream molecular cascades that initiate muscle growth machinery. The process of muscle growth, i.e., hypertrophy, depends on the balance between muscle protein breakdown and muscle protein synthesis. Tension stimulates muscle protein synthesis, leading to muscle growth. 2. Why is tension important for muscle growth? Tension is a crucial factor in muscle growth. As previously mentioned, tension activates muscle growth machinery leading to hypertrophy. The more tension that is detected within the muscle fibers, the more muscle protein synthesis is stimulated and the more muscle growth occurs. To achieve muscle growth, a progressive overload of tension needs to be applied. This means gradually increasing the resistance, or weight that is lifted during exercise to continually challenge the muscle fibers and stimulate further growth. 3. How does motor unit size and type affect muscle growth? Motor units are composed of a motor neuron and the muscle fibers it innervates. Motor unit size and type have a significant impact on muscle growth. Larger motor units tend to have faster twitch muscle fibers, which are more growth-prone than the slower twitch fibers found in smaller motor units. Larger motor units also tend to respond more to heavier loads, putting more growth-prone muscle fibers under tension and causing exponential increases in muscle growth. 4. What is Henneman's size principle? Henneman's size principle refers to the orderly recruitment of motor units based on their size and threshold for activation. Motor units with the smallest and slowest twitch muscle fibers are recruited first, followed by those with larger and faster twitch fibers. This principle dictates that the greater the force required for a motor task, the more and larger motor units will be recruited for that task. As we lift heavier weights, more motor units are recruited, including the larger ones with faster twitch fibers that are more responsive to growth stimulation. 5. Why is lifting too heavy not the best choice for muscle growth? While lifting heavier weights can produce more tension and stimulate muscle growth, lifting at the heaviest end of the loading range accumulates a great deal of fatigue and prevents sufficient volume, which is another important stimulator of hypertrophy. Volume refers to the total amount of work done in a training session, which is determined by the number of sets, reps, and weight lifted. Sufficient volume is important for muscle growth. Lifting too heavy can limit the volume of work that can be done in a training session, and this can reduce growth potential. Therefore, it is important to find the optimum balance between load and volume that ranges from heavy weights to moderate weights. In conclusion, muscle growth is a complex process that involves several factors, including tension, motor unit size and type, Henneman's size principle, and training volume. Applying progressive overload with an optimal balance of tension and volume is crucial for achieving muscle growth. However, lifting too heavy can hinder muscle growth by causing fatigue and reducing the volume of work that can be done in a training session. Therefore, it's important to have a well-planned training program that takes into account all of these factors to stimulate muscle growth effectively. Incorporating a balanced diet and sufficient rest can also aid in the muscle growth process. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information that will improve your training progress. Thank you for watching.